Kipsters, how are y'all doing? Welcome to your last, not your last assignment, but your last edit for the school year. So let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm going to show you how to, when we edit, we are going to remove unnecessary words. So sometimes you will add a detail to a sentence, you will move or substitute, but today I'm really going to focus on how to remove. Some of the answers today or the questions today you'll have to remove, but you'll also have to add or move or substitute. Today I'm just going to model how to remove. So the thinking steps is read the sentence aloud. So I'm going to read the sentence. I like to go to the movies and I like to go to the mall too. What information did I learn from this sentence? So I typed, I learned that someone likes to go to the movies and the mall. And then, is there any repeated words in the sentence? Well, if I go, I like to, go, those are repeated words, so I'm going to type them out right here. I like to go. And then the next step is rewrite the sentence to be short, sweet, and to the point. So how could I remove? So the words that I'm going to remove is I like to, the repeated words, and just put it one time. So I like to go to the movies and the mall. So I had to remove repeated words because it makes the sentence sweet, short, and to the point. And we don't like to have repeated words in one sentence. So it makes it short, sweet, and to the point. And then it also, you don't want to have like, I like to go is saying the same thing. You can combine that one thought and then put the two actions together. So what you're going to do today for your guided practice is you're going to read the two sentences or one sentence and make a new sentence. So remember, think about your thinking steps. You read the sentence. What information is it telling you? Is there repeated words? And then you're going to rewrite it to be short, sweet, and to the point. Sometimes you may remove some words. Sometimes you may just move around some words or add some words. So these are 3 guided questions that I want you to do. And then today for your exit ticket, you're going to read a story about how to care for a new puppy. And then you just have 3 questions today. Please make sure to justify why these are. Did you remove it? Did you add it? Did you add anything to your answer? So I can't wait to see your answer choices, and I will see you soon. Bye.